How does a plant make its own food from just sunlight and air? Let's discover photosynthesis. Plants take in carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil. Sunlight provides the energy. Carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose plus oxygen using light energy and chlorophyll. This happens inside chloroplasts. Light energy is converted to chemical energy stored in glucose. Common mistake: students say plants get food from soil. No, plants make their own food through photosynthesis. Remember, sunny leaves cook CO2 and water into glucose. That is photosynthesis. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.